Good evening, I'm Matt, your host for Drift Labs News. Tonight at Lock City Drift, questionable decisions, excessive brake clean, and one man's journey to figure out what he's doing behind the wheel. All on Drift Labs News tonight.
Good afternoon, this is Drift Lab News.
Reporting live from Lock City Drift season opener.
Now that the crew has arrived, let's check in and see how everything's going at the track. Darren, can you tell us what it's like right now?
We're at Lock City today, and it looks pretty windy. It's also some snow, and it's getting pretty cold. My hands are freezing, but it looks pretty fun here today still. We got cars over there. Hell yeah. An E46 and a yellow 350Z just going at it. But yeah, it looks like the weather is good for the drifters' tires today. It's cold, and yeah.
Thanks for that, Darren. It looks like the drivers are still able to manage with these conditions, so I'm not sure why you're complaining. Matt, what do the drivers have to say?
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Zuri.
And what are you driving?
E36, 1994, 325 IS.
Awesome. How are you feeling today?
Feeling great. First event of the season, I'm excited.
The drivers sound like they're fine with the conditions. Matt, what's your take on the season opener so far?
I'm not sure why there's so many people here today. It's cloudy. The weather looks like it's gonna rain today. So I'm not sure why we got all the drifters here, but we're here today.
I just got word one of our reporters is in a car filming. Let's see what's going on there. There's not much tire smoke today. The wet and cold conditions are keeping things mild. Seems like another driver picked up Matt. Let's see who he's with this time.
James's E36. Yeah, you can drive.
Yeah, I'm feeling this track.
And our photographer, Lucas. He's been out there all day. Let's see what he has for us. It looks like one of the teams is having trouble staying under control. Someone call the fire chief over. That's all for tonight on Drift Lab News. We appreciate you tuning in with us for the Lock City Drift season opener. I'm Matt, and this has been Drift Lab News. Stay sideways and stay classy, New England.
Next time we come in here in Lock City, we'll be bringing the MC RX-7 and make sure everybody sees it. Let's track people with it, make her proud. Let's go.